So this is where you want them, all bubbly. Watch them rise now. Oh yes, they're puffing up beautifully. These are great with spread with butter and a little bit of golden syrup. They're yummy. Should we try them?
Mm-hmm.
So they're easy to see whether they're done. You just turn them over. And burn yourself. Okay, so we just give them a bit longer because it's nice to have them brown on the other side as well.
Can we just talk about BakeOGlide?
Well, this BakeOGlide is the one thing you can't do without. So this is a cook set. So there's a piece cut that will fit your cold plain shelf, a piece cut that will fit a full-size roasting tin and a half-size roasting tin, and then a circular piece for the simmering plate. Never put it on the boiling plate. There we go.
Lovely.
So that's that. Drop scones, Scotch pancakes, blinis, whatever you call them.